are the JK Buddies. So in this video, we will be doing a Honey Monster dance thing to the song Bomb Bomb. That we just decided to make up a weird dance to that song in Honey Monster, so we thought it'd be kind of cool. Yeah. So let's move on. Yeah. And we are the JK Buddies. We hope you liked our video and be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye!